as much as possible. The problem is a lot of us take on a lead source or anything else in life and we just do not do it enough of. You got to do it every single day. Repetitions will make you better. Getting yourself immersed in a lead source, right? Learn and then do it actually on a daily basis will get you better. A lot of us take on a project, or let's say it's a lead source. They do it for a week or two, now they start questioning things. It's not working to their expectations. Then a week later, 2 weeks later, they start getting all discouraged, they start looking at other options, different lead sources, and 2 weeks later after that, they give up. You don't give up. You go, and you go. You try to get the best out of that, right? And that's 60 days, that's 90 days, that's 120 days. Focus on the process, right? And I know it's kind of cliche-ish, trust the process, focus the process, follow the process. But ultimately, at the end of the day, the only way you're gonna get better with that lead source if you're actually doing it on a daily basis. And once you do that, a year from now, you're gonna be one of the best at that particular lead source.